Home remedies for Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease is an inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Also known as Crohn syndrome and regional enteritis, this chronic disease can affect any part of the gastrointestinal tract from mouth to anus. The symptoms of Crohn's disease vary from person to person. Sometimes, people have no symptoms or very mild symptoms for long time periods. This is known as remission. One can also go through periods when symptoms flare up and become particularly troublesome. During a flare-up, symptoms may include persistent diarrhea, a low-grade fever, low energy, abdominal pain, cramping, nausea, vomiting, blood and mucus in the stool, mouth sores, loss of appetite, weight loss and perianal disease. Other signs and symptoms include inflammation of the skin, eyes, joints and bile ducts. Delayed growth in children can also be a sign. There is no known cure for Crohn's disease and no single treatment that works for everyone. Basically, treatments and home remedies are carried out to reduce inflammation, relieve symptoms and prevent the need for surgery whenever possible. Before starting any treatment, proper diagnosis and doctor's consultation is a must. Probiotics. Probiotics are essential for people suffering from Crohn's disease. Probiotics are live bacteria that are similar to good bacteria that normally reside in the intestines. They help restore the state of good bacteria in the digestive tract, which in turn enhances digestion, absorption and processing of foods through the intestinal tract. It is recommended to take probiotic supplements that contain both the L. acidophilus and L. bifidus organisms, both of which promote digestive health. Green tea. Green tea has many health-promoting benefits for Crohn's disease due to its anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic and antioxidant properties. Plus, green tea has a positive impact on the immune system, and even reduces the risk of colon cancer. Add 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes. Strain, add some honey and mix well. Drink this soothing tea at least 3 times a day. Marshmallow. Due to the mucilage content in marshmallow, it has a soothing effect on the gastrointestinal tract and is very effective in the treatment of Crohn's disease. According to the University of Michigan Health System, marshmallow heals the inflamed lesions in the gastrointestinal tract, removes irritants and reduces inflammation. Add 2 to 5 grams of dried leaf of marshmallow, or 5 grams of dried marshmallow root, to 1 cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and then drink this tea. Drink marshmallow tea 3 times per day. Slippery elm. Being a demulcent and a natural anti-inflammatory agent, slippery elm helps heal and protect irritated and injured digestive tissues. It also promotes normal bowel movements and facilitates faster healing. Plus, this herb helps prevent nutritional deficiencies and electrolyte imbalance in people who have Crohn's disease. Add 1 teaspoon of slippery elm powder to a glass of hot water. Let it steep for 5 minutes. Drink it at least 1 hour after taking other medications. You can drink this solution 2 or 3 times a day. You can also mix together 1 teaspoon each of slippery elm and sugar in 2 cups of hot water. Consume this twice daily. Turmeric. Another very effective home remedy for Crohn's disease is turmeric. This spice has a compound known as curcumin, an anti-inflammatory agent that helps reduce inflammation and swelling in the digestive tract. Also, turmeric helps in reducing any abscess on the large and small intestinal linings. Turmeric or curcumin supplements of 400 to 600 milligrams can be taken 3 times daily. As a curcumin supplement may interact with blood thinner drugs and diabetes drugs, consult your doctor before taking it. Also include turmeric powder in your day-to-day cooking. Boswellia. Herbalists often recommend boswellia for treating Crohn's disease. The herb has anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce inflammation in the lining of the gastrointestinal or digestive tract. A few studies have also found it to be helpful in dealing with Crohn's disease. However, more research is still needed. You can take 1,200 milligrams of boswellia 3 times daily for up to 8 weeks. As boswellia may interact with other drugs and supplements, it is important to consult a doctor before taking it. Ginger. Ginger is also very helpful in managing some of the symptoms of Crohn's disease due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can reduce inflammation in the intestines. Plus, it helps in the digestion process. Add 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger to a cup of hot water, cover and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add some honey and drink the tea. Repeat 2 or 3 times daily until you notice improvement in your condition. Alternatively, you can take ginger supplements after consulting your doctor. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is also recommended for those suffering from Crohn's disease. This oil is rich into omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA. Both these fatty acids are anti-inflammatory agents that help reduce inflammation in the intestinal mucosa. Plus, cod liver oil has vitamins D and A, which are important for people who have Crohn's disease. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of cod liver oil daily. Another option is to take cod liver oil capsules. Carrots. Carrots are a good source of healthy nutrients for those suffering from Crohn's disease. They contain antioxidants that help deal with Crohn's symptoms. Plus, carrots are easy to digest and help boost the immune system. Cook a few carrots until they are soft and tender. Add a little salt and eat 1/2 cup of carrot puree several times a day. You can also drink freshly extracted carrot juice with a few drops of lemon juice and a little bit of honey several times a day until you notice improvement. Vitamin D. Experts believe that vitamin D plays a part in regulating your immune response and can even relieve inflammation and ease symptoms of Crohn's disease. The best source of vitamin D is the sun, which activates the body's production of vitamin D. Try to expose your body to early morning sun rays. Also eat vitamin D-rich foods like beef liver, egg yolks, sardines, salmon, shrimp, cod and fortified milk.